We're here to help!
Today we are going to be learning about basic logarithms. The way you read this problem is log base 4 of 16. To solve this problem, you can think to yourself, 4 raised to what power gives me 16? This is one way to do it. Usually the easiest way is to rewrite it into exponential form. The first thing you should do if the log equation isn't already equal to something is to make it equal to x. So for this problem, it would be log base 4 of 16 equals to x. This is because you are going to rearrange this and connect it into an exponential version. To write this in exponential form so that you can find the answer, you start with a little base. And then, you raise the base to the power of what's on the right side. So the base of 4 is raised to the power of the right side, which is x equals to 16. Now all you have to do is figure out what number of x makes that true. In other words, 4 raised to what number is equal to 16? Since 4 squared, or 4 times 4, is equal to 16, x equals 2. And we have 2 as our answer. Let's try another one. The way we read this problem is log base 32 of 16. This one's a little bit more tricky to solve using the quick way, so we'll just go on to writing it in exponential form. Now as you can see here, I set it equal to x because it's not set to equal to something already. Base 32 would be raised to the x and equal to 16. This is written in exponential form now. Now we are going to simplify the two numbers to the same bases. 2 to the 5th, or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. And 2 to the 4th, or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So the common base would be 2. So now we just plug in those values to the number they equal to. So it would be 2 to the 5th x equal to 2 to the 4th power. Since we have both of the same bases, we would be left with 5x equal to 4. Solve for x by dividing 5x to both sides, getting 4/5 as the answer.
So what we have here is log base 4x is equal to log base 7. So the question is, how do we get x? Well, first and foremost, we have to use the property of equality, which is if log base ax is equal to log base xy, then x equals y. So when we apply it to our question, log base 4x is equal to log base 7, since we have the same bases, x is equal to 7. Our next question is log base 6 to the second power is equal to x. So the question still stands, how do we get x? Since the base and the number are the same, which is 6 and 6, they cancel each other out, which leaves 2. So we could just use simple math and conclude that x is equal to 2.
So I hope that helped you understand logs. Our struggling student Almond Dollars got an A on her log test after watching this video.